Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to allow your members to send video files using the Telegram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing group permissions has become even more straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together, so your group can start sharing videos with ease. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you have admin privileges. Only admins can change group permissions, so double-check your role if you don't see the options described. Once inside the group, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management panel, where all the important settings are located. Now, in the management panel, find and click on Permissions. This section controls what members can and cannot do in your group. Look for the Send Media option. This is where you decide what types of media your group members can share. Under Send Media, you'll see several toggles. Find the one labeled Video Files. If it's currently disabled, simply switch it on. This enables group members to send video files in the chat. Once you've enabled the Video Files option, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. If you skip this step, your new settings won't take effect. That's it. You've now successfully allowed video file sharing in your Telegram group on PC. Your members can start sending videos up to Telegram's generous file size limit, making it perfect for sharing moments, tutorials, or any content your community needs. With these simple steps, you can keep your group dynamic, interactive, and up to date with the latest Telegram features. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy managing your group with confidence.